Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to update Honda Odyssey software, only way. Start by parking safely, setting the ignition to accessory, and connecting the vehicle to stable Wi-Fi. Open the Settings menu, navigate to System or Software Update, and check for available updates. Allow the download and installation to finish without interrupting power. Reboot the system when prompted and verify the new version in System Info to confirm success. Make sure your Odyssey is prepared and comfortable for the update process. Check battery health or run the engine to prevent power loss if the update takes longer. Remove unnecessary USB drives and back up paired phones and custom settings if you want to restore them later. Confirm you have at least 30 minutes of uninterrupted time and a steady Wi-Fi connection inside the cabin before initiating the download and firmware installation. If you're finding this walkthrough helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support future guides. Quick recommendation: read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite for downtime while your car updates. It's lightweight and great for short waits. It's a handy companion during long downloads or while you grab a coffee. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Begin by accessing Settings, then System or Vehicle, and tap Software Update to check for new firmware. If an update is available, download it completely while keeping the Wi-Fi connection active and the vehicle powered. Accept any prompts and let the system install the update without unplugging power or exiting early. Once installation completes, the infotainment will restart. Visit System Information to confirm the updated version and test navigation and phone connectivity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.